Sup guys, over here, and in this video we're gonna be doing tasks for Linea Voyage week 7. For those who watched the drips, I initially said that we're not gonna have the on-chain tasks this week, and I'm very glad I was wrong about this one because we actually got week 7 tasks on-chain. List of applications definitely looks very interesting. The deadline here is gonna be June 19th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. That is to actually perform the tasks, and then you'll have additional time to claim the points all the way up to June 23rd, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. And that's me from the future. First of all, I will split the week 2 into 2 videos because it's like super long. And secondly, video is gonna be super hectic because I have to jump from one application to another waiting for transactions to complete. In some applications you have to wait hour to 2 hours for them to actually register on chain properly. Just keep that in mind. I will try to do my best with editing so it's not too confusing. Okay, I'm done here now, back to the present. As always, links are in description, but follow them at your own risk. But without further ado, let's start doing the tasks. So the first one is ENS Domains. How do we navigate? Is this from details? Yeah, you can navigate from details. Register your ENS on Linea testnet. Okay, connect MetaMask. And also I forgot to mention that obviously here I'm not going to cover super basic stuff. You should have Linea testnet in your MetaMask. You should have some ETH to perform the tasks. I will drop a couple of links in description to help with that, but in general I assume that you already know this stuff. So let's try to register the domain. How much ETH do I have? Should be enough to complete the tasks. My browser is completely screws me over because like every pop-up I get is like getting immediately closed and I have to click again. And that actually screws up the whole MetaMask transactions and like anything that uses pop-ups. And I don't understand why this is happening, to be honest. I may have to reinstall later. But for now, let's just carry on. Also, I forgot to check whether or not this stuff is going to be checked manually, as always. All eligible addresses will be updated daily every 24 hours. Okay, so as usual, this stuff is manually verifiable. Let's check. Yeah, okay, we are done with the ENS. What's next? Lineaster. Create a profile. Step-by-step tutorial, just in case. So this is like a version of Lineaster. Then we need to click on login and sign in. Something went wrong. Okay. If you get in the error, just try again. Handle. Unable to create your handle. Okay, you can only put lowercases. Nice avatar. Okay, profile looks to be created. We cannot yet see that. Well, in the wallet it says transaction successful, proxy create profile, and I'll just wait until later when everything shows correctly to check the profile. So it has been around 1.5 hours after I registered my profile on Lineaster. And now I was finally able to log in, and now I can see my account. Prior to that it was telling me to register, even though I already have the account, so if you get that, you have to wait. Then we need to create a post, super follow the profile, collect a specific post from the Linea profile. So you go to home, click what's happening, and create your post. Sign in the message. Paying gas. To speed this up. Okay, looks like we got it. Not showing anything in the feed yet. I assume you have to wait too. We need to go to specific post to collect it. Only at Linea super followers can collect. Okay, so we need to super follow this profile. So you don't have to click anywhere, you just hover over here and you click this star. Okay, so in here we need to pay 10 USDC on Linea to be able to follow that. So in order to get USDC, we go to Linea faucet, connecting the wallet, completing captcha. You need to log some ETH in order to be able to claim some USDCs. Looks like we only need a small amount. Gonna speed this up. There you go, transaction is confirmed. Now my balance is 29. We can go back, and once you have the USDCs, you can click allow follow module. We need to approve here. It's odd because even if I use aggressive gas, I still have to speed this up if I don't want to wait like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. And we can super follow now. Don't have enough allowance. What do you mean I don't have enough allowance? I'm getting some errors here. I approved spending. I have enough USDCs. Okay, now it works. We need to sign. It's weird, it says followed successfully and at the same time execution reverted. It was weird because I had this no gas transaction that I had to sign. I signed it, nothing happened. I thought I was super following, but apparently I wasn't. So after that I tried that again, I sign again, then MetaMask pops. Then you have to pay the gas and you get this transaction, follow with SIG. So now I can actually see on profile that I'm super following. What is this though? Super follow again. Okay, let's try to collect now. I have no idea. I super followed. You can see that I've been deducted 10 USD. So at this point it seems like the only thing that's stopping this is that it's not finalized on chain. Yeah, more people collecting. I don't know. I'm gonna try to collect again. It goes through now. Dope. Collected successfully. Okay, and I have been charged 5 USDCs for that. So from the time when I super followed, it's been I think around 1.5 hours or something like that. Okay, let's go to IDriss. IDriss, send 3 transactions with the IDriss browser extension on Linea testnet. Tutorial and details. Okay, so first we need to install the extension. Open Twitter and look for friends with a green ID badge. They do have a badge, but it's not green. And there's only Matic. Okay, so in order to make this work, you need to find the address that has green icon. Like as you can see, IDriss, it's gray for me. If it's gray, you cannot change the network. So what we need to do, you can go on their Discord. There is a channel, drop your IDriss, and you can find some Twitter handles here for the people who created the account. So this guy, for example, he has a green icon. And as you can see here, we can change the network for the Linea testnet. And we can send some Linea ETH. Connecting the wallet. And we just confirm. Transaction submitted, and based on the task here we need to send 3 transactions. It doesn't say anything about the fact that it should be different people, so I suppose we can just use the same person. Next task is SnapshotX. We need to vote on the proposal. Okay, so votes are on the right, top right, and you can just click there, and you need to pay some gas. Pending transactions, let's just wait until it registers. Also, I forgot that at times like this, when a lot of people are doing transactions on Linea, it's better to use the aggressive gas. I actually wonder, can I speed this up? Yeah, I can speed up. Contract interaction. It's done, though here it says pending still. I think it's because the Explorer is currently lagging behind and you cannot actually check the data for your transaction, but that should be completed as well. Next we have PatchWallet. Mint and send NFT to any Twitter user. Okay, there is tutorial, we may need that one. And also the link in details. So here you need to find your handle. Look up wallet. Then there is a very convenient button to start Linea quest. We just click here. Yes, we need to verify our Twitter. It's redirecting us back. Here you can mint any NFT that you like. We'll go with the ape. Okay, now around 2 hours later, it seems like minting completely doesn't work. But as you can see here, it says TX failed under load. To get your Galaxy credential, fill out this form. And so that's the form. You basically just put your wallet address and then your Twitter handle that you try to do transactions with. And you submit this. And in case we don't get the credit on the next update, we can just try to do the whole task again later when there is less load. Okay, what is next? We have Linea L2 domains, means your domain. This should be easy enough. Wait, view full tutorial. Where's the actual link? Okay. Okay, so there is an actual link in the tutorial. I don't understand why that link is not on the Galaxy. Pick your username. I just need 1 year. Okay, I forgot to connect the wallet, obviously. Okay. Now we can just buy. I mean, these are very simple. You're just doing one transaction and you're pretty much done. Just have to wait a little bit. Yay, we got it. Okay, we can close this one. Okay, so this one we completed. And moving on to Atticc. Join the Atticc early adopter community on Atticc. Go here, log in, find and join Atticc early adopter. Okay, should be easy enough. What is this app? Communities. Okay, connect wallet. Sign. I assume we can just put this into search. Oh, wait. I'm just being stupid. If you don't see it here, this is the search, not the top search, this search. There you go. And you just join and you're done. Next, Vitidiary game tutorial. Go to this website, log in, follow the instructions and complete the tutorial. It's on Unity, probably a game of some sort. And also for this app we'll need to mint the NFT. Okay, full screen. Oh, it says we need to complete tutorial, but what's the tutorial? Wait, is that the thing that we need to mint? I don't think it's inside the game. Okay, we can connect here too. We can't mint yet. Wait. What the heck is this? So we need to complete this as well? Unlock your remembrance NFT. So in order to mint this, we need to complete this. Okay, so we need to follow the Twitter and then join Discord. We should be done. Okay, let's verify. Should be done. This is so odd. So you cannot claim the points, but yet somehow this is still accomplished and we can now mint. but I will just mint first. Successfully minted. Okay, I see. I have the pending transaction. We need to speed this up. I'm forgetting every time to use aggressive gas. If you're doing that at the same time when thousands of other people doing that, use aggressive gas on testnet if your transactions are slow. Nice. And now it has been confirmed. So if I refresh, yes, now we have the green badge. Click the start tutorial from here again. Login. Okay. Create. First we need to purchase the wine box. Now opening the box. Click into reveal, accept. Now we need to create the wine. Okay. I think I understand what's going on. So if you don't follow clicks exactly as it planned to, you're gonna run into the same issue. Oh, come on. Okay. Accept wine. There you go. You're almost there. Join the Vitidiary community to claim your exclusive Linea Voyage. Okay. Okay, you have to sign the transaction at the end. You should be done. Nice to have you. Claim your badge. Click continue. It actually takes us to this page. Okay. I did it all backwards, but it's okay. Phew, finally. It's been like 2 minutes even when speeding up. Let's see if we got the checkmark now. Yay, we're done with this application finally. Next we have Battlemon. We need to mint NFT key pass. Instructions and details. Battlemon city mint. Is this a simple minting? We need to join the Discord first. Okay, verify. Okay, we verified. Now what? I needed to connect the wallet first, obviously. Send the message. After you join the Discord, you need to go to special channel and enter the command. You can copy that. It's activate channel. This one. You need to put your command. Code has been activated. Return to the app and claim your reward. Yeah, it should say done. If it doesn't say done, means you cannot mint. Well, transaction is completed, but I don't see any change in status here. I'll just refresh. Yeah, it says you already have key. Okay, cool. So we're done with this one too. Okay, next we need to mint first level gem. Where? In labs. Okay, so there is a proper guide here on the Medium, but the link on Galaxy doesn't work. I'll link this one in description. But basically when you get to the labs where you need to do these, green gem and then yellow gem, you just need to click mint and then wait a little bit. For me it took like 5 to 10 minutes for these to appear in your items. If you don't see anything in your items, just wait. And just click craft. It says transaction completed, but it's still loading. So while we do this one, we can go ahead and mint the pickaxe. This is another NFT. Go to Launchpad. and then you can mint it. Okay, it looks to be completed as well. I will go ahead and refresh the page. Nothing changes here. Okay, and several minutes later we got another blue, and now we can craft them together, and I assume we will get the yellow. Okay, another 5 minutes later, let's refresh. We should be getting the yellow gem here. Come on, Battlemon. What about pickaxe? I'm not sure if the page is supposed to change. There you go. We got yellow, and it means we're done with this one, I suppose. Okay, cool. Next application is gonna be Cataclysm. I suppose this is a game. Survive endless run for at least 3 minutes, and then kill 10 enemies in arcane mode. Zero mission. Connect MetaMask. Cookie policy. Okay. Okay. New game. Loading. Endless run. We need to survive for 3 minutes. Yo, what is this? Oh no. Okay. So you just run around and then you shoot. Okay, I reached 3-minute timer, and I assume I need to die now to actually record. Probably. Redeem your token now. Redeem complete. Great. And the second task was kill 10 enemies in arcade mode. Main menu, new game. Now arcade mode. Got it. It says shoot here somewhere. Where? In the portal? Oh, we need to shoot the portal. Oh, you can go next. Okay. That should be 10. How do I quit though? And sign transaction. I think I need to die again. Okay, let's try to die. I don't see a counter of killed enemies though. Kill me. Come on. Well, it's basically if you complete it, it's just gonna say that you completed, and then you need to redeem the token. Redeem complete. Nice. And we're done with Cataclysm.